Welcome back to Quick Tips with your girlfriend Renee. Today I'm talking about WordSwag, which took me a long time to download. A lot of people told me about this and I just kept forgetting because a lot of the apps that I have already have font in them. But this is actually really cool because if you pay for if you have the free version in a lot of apps, you don't get access to a lot of the cool fonts that they offer. That's where WordSwag comes in. This one offers a lot more fonts for free. They do have a pro version, but the free one's just fine. I like it. Another good thing about WordSwag is it has stock photos, y'all. Stock photos already on your phone. Usually you have to go to Google, download the photo, put it in the file, and then upload it over here, save it to your thing. It's a pain in the ass. This already here, and look at how freaking cute. Hello, pineapples. I mean, come on. So you can do that. You can click it. So they have it in different shapes as well. You can do it for Facebook. You can do it for stories. You can do it for Instagram feed. I'm going to pick stories because hello. And you can go ahead and pick what font you like. Some of them you got to pay for, like always, but you can pick whatever you want and then you can tap it. You can change the color. You can change the style. You can change literally everything you want. So and then it gives you, no, I don't want to try your pro, bro. No. There we go. That looks pretty. We'll just do that. Okay, they're getting annoying. I'm not gonna lie. They're trying to sell me a bunch of shit. Just let me do a video, yo. Okay, you can put that, you can change the color, you can add another image into it. I really like it for showing new arrivals. I can put yes, girl, yes, now available. And there you go. So pretty cool app. Like I said, do the free version first. And if you don't like it or you feel like you need more out of it, then go ahead and upgrade to the pro, but we cheap around here. We're gonna do that. So you can add anything you want. I was gonna try and show you, but it's being a pain in the butt. So WordSwag on App Store, free, get it. And I'll be back with more tips from your girlfriend Renee.